Good morning, everybody. I'm back. I'm here to show you guys new coupons to print. Sorry, it's my one day I get to sleep in, so I take full advantage of it when I can. But here we got coupons to print. Now, I do print my coupons on swagbucks.com. I made several videos showing you guys how to find them. Why I do that? Because you guys get paid for every coupon that you print. So you guys get 1 point for every coupon, and then depending on where you redeem them, you guys get up to 25 points. So I think that's an awesome deal. And then once you guys get 1,000 points, that is a dollar? No, it is a, God, what is it? It's $10. So 1,000 points is $10. So I'm saving up for a free Christmas. So what I do is I just save all my points up, and then I will be using my points to get gift cards to use for Christmas. So that is what I do. I do have a referral link below. You guys can click below, but let's see what coupons to print. Now, some of these might be old, some of them might be reset. I haven't been printing coupons off lately, just haven't been feeling like it. I needed a much needed break, but I am slowly coming back, so you guys will see me coming back. But here we got Arm & Hammer, Aquaphor. I'm not really going to print that off unless I really need it. I know some of these stuff lasts a long time. CoverGirl, I think those reset. The Garnier reset. Simply Potatoes, that is a newer coupon, which I'm not going to print off because I never really use that product. But here's another Arm & Hammer. I'm just going to print those off just in case. We got CoverGirl. We got Dial Body Wash, $2.50 off of Vino. I might print that one off. Eucerin. Here we got 50 cents off of Suave Kids. I am printing that off because it does last a little bit longer than the other coupons, so just in case. We got OxyClean, Lubriderm, Persil, which I plan on using that today. Here we got $3 off of Too Suave, $1 off of Tresemme, which we do have a better off coupon that we're getting in our inserts. Here's another Arm & Hammer, which I probably won't use, so I'm just kind of saving it on not printing a lot of my coupons. But otherwise, there's not a lot. I'm just excited for the Persil because I plan on using that deal because there is a deal on Saving Star right now. So giving you guys a heads up on that. Make sure you add it. But that looks like about it. I hope you guys can print these off, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.